To schedule Semrush social media posts, you need to have a Semrush account and a social media management tool. First, log into your Semrush account and navigate to the social media management tool. This tool allows you to manage and schedule social media posts across various platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. The next step is to connect your social media accounts to Semrush. You can do this by clicking on the Add Account button and following the prompts to authenticate your social media profiles. Once your accounts are connected, you can start creating and scheduling social media posts. To create a post, click on the Create Post button and select the social media platform you want to post on. Then, add the content of your post, including text, images, and videos. You can also add a link to your post and select the target audience. After creating your post, you can schedule it for a specific date and time. Semrush allows you to schedule posts in advance, which helps you to plan and manage your social media content more effectively. You can also use the built-in calendar to visualize your scheduled posts and make any necessary changes. Another key feature of Semrush social media management tool is the ability to track and analyze the performance of your social media posts. This includes metrics such as engagement, reach, and clicks, which help you to understand how your audience is interacting with your content. To get the most out of Semrush social media scheduling, it is essential to have a content calendar that outlines your social media strategy and content plan. This helps you to ensure consistency and coherence across your social media platforms. You should also monitor your social media analytics regularly to identify areas for improvement and adjust your scheduling strategy accordingly. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively schedule Semrush social media posts and improve your overall social media management. This helps you to save time, increase engagement, and drive more traffic to your website. With Semrush social media management tool, you can streamline your social media marketing efforts and achieve your online marketing goals.